Hi everyone, just a short little video. Jean had visited Spain and brought some plants back. She asked me to put them on video. It's also a record of what the plants look like when they arrived and hopefully what they'll grow into. Now, my knowledge of these is not too great, but the first one we'll have a look at is this beautifully coloured leaf plant. It's Euphorbia framboisii variety crassicornis. Crassa means thick or fleshy, cornis being a stem, I believe. There's the actual leaves there. They take on a lovely red effect. Incidentally, this is Saturday morning, the coldest it's been for a long time. In fact, outside the thermometer said 0. So it is cold. In fact, it's so cold I decided not to go to a boot sale if it's on today. So it's given me a chance to have a look at these plants for Jean. There, it's a plant from a Madagascar. And quite a choice plant. There's the name. Next up we've got another quite interesting plant. It's not looking too happy at the moment, but it will pick up. This is a Dorstenia. There's the name, Dorstenia Horwoodii. Now, Mr. Horwood used to be a very keen collector in England. Unfortunately, I don't think he's with us anymore. He immigrated out to America and had a nursery out there. And this plant was obviously named after him, a Dorstenia. There's the plant again. That's nicely potted. This one's got, well, I can't find the name on it. Jean will obviously know the name of this. It's quite a delicate plant actually. If I do another video and I'll get the name, I can always call it over. It's quite a nice looking plant. They don't look very succulent, I must admit, but you know, not to worry, it's quite nice. We've got also some seed raised Euphorbia bupreriifolia, and these were seed raised, I believe, by the gentleman that Jean visited. It's got a cord, well, it's really a stem at that stage. I suppose you'd call it a caudex. These are not easy. In the past you could get imported plants of these. I haven't got one in my own collection to show what it looks like, but this is it growing from seed. You've probably got better chance if it is grown from seed. With the leaves, Euphorbia bupreriifolia. Many years ago, I always wanted a plant called the zigzag plant. And here we have a zigzag plant, so named because the funny way it grows, like a zigzag. You can see I'm wearing my cactus hat today. Of course, the zigzag also comes in lamp filaments, but this is to do with the plant. This is Dickeria madagascarensis, I believe. In the part, well, it still is quite rare. That is quite a rare plant. Dickeria madagascarensis. From the name, it tells you it comes from Madagascar. I don't think these are particularly easy. But there we are, zigzag plant. We'll end up in this little group with Sansevieria. I don't know the name of this one. I think it's a true species as opposed to a hybrid. It's one of the cylindrical leafed ones. There's quite a few species of Sansevieria, and this is one of them. Been nicely potted. Anyhow, that concludes the plants or the ones that we have on show here that Jean brought back from Spain. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Any comments, please ask. We'll try and answer them. I will say it is pretty cold, and it has visions of me having to perhaps turn the heating on. But at the moment we're all right. It's above freezing in here, and the sun, you can see, is trying to come through. So it should be a nice day today. Anyhow, I won't go through my plants, you've seen those recently. So I'll say thanks for watching and thank you.